Beyond Anguilla's breathtaking beaches and exquisite cuisine lies the island's natural habitats. Anguilla's salt ponds, once the center of a thriving export salt industry, are now home to over 130 species of birds. Here, least terns, black-necked stilts, and Wilson's plovers, to name a few, raise their young. Each year, migratory birds rest and feed here after a long and difficult journey to and from their breeding grounds along the Atlantic Flyway. Anguilla's offshore cays come alive each spring as they play host to geographically important seabird colonies. Come take a walk on the wild side with Nature Explorers Anguilla.